Okay guys, we're back again. We're ready to make another Capcut video, but this time we're gonna make, like a funny video from TikTok. I'd like to just do a photo editing template to see what we can do with it. So if we go to images, we go to most popular, and maybe videos. Let's go to the hot ones. Go to TikTok. Put my headphones on so I can hear these. I have no clue what I want to use. Let me turn this down a bit. I feel like it's super loud. Oh, okay. Still. Okay. I like this one. Let's see if I use this template. I'm just gonna plug my dog into the video. Okay. Like I said, I'm gonna just add a couple photos of my dog in here. I got a big old doggy, and he does some pretty silly stuff, so kind of want to see if I can make him look pretty funny but cool at the same time. Let's see. Where's him walking on the table? There he is, sitting at the table. And then walking up on the table. Who doesn't love a giant dog on their table, right? So let's see what it looks like. Just such a bad dog. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and export that because I found it matches. I can download or send it directly to TikTok. I'm gonna go ahead and send it directly to TikTok. I don't know if this is going to directly, I mean, we'll try it, just so we can see. Everyone can view it. Oh, that went really quick. Use this. I'll use the Capcut hashtag as well. Allow users to comment, duet, stitch. I don't see anything else here. Okay, well, we'll go ahead and share it then. And then we'll check over at TikTok and see how long that takes. Boom, boom, boom. Just trying to show the different types of things you can do using CapCut. We're going to play around with this for a little while since I'm getting newer to it. And again, the link is down below. If you've never used CapCut, use my link and I get some form of commission. I don't even know how it works, honestly. I just signed up for it. And so I'm playing around with it. Hopefully I can get approved for my Adobe affiliate link so I can share a bunch more Adobe content because I really enjoy using their software as well. Okay, so we will go ahead and go here. And obviously the video turned out pretty good. I mean, all in all, let's see. We'll see how it does. Because I think when you're posting to TikTok, I think using the different options that you have to post to TikTok or any of the social media sites like that, like YouTube Shorts and Reels for Facebook and for Instagram, when you upload the content from different programs, it seems to throw something in the algorithm that kind of gives you a little bit more viewers. So I enjoy doing that and trying something different. So I'll have to update you guys on the next video, one of the next upcoming videos, and let you know how uploading directly from CapCut helped my views. And other than that, I think we're gonna go ahead and hop off here, and we'll maybe the next video we will probably maybe a couple more image ones, maybe throw some quotes in there, maybe some memes. See if we can play around with the lyrics ones and see if we can get the lyrics to pop in on songs, because those can be pretty popular on YouTube. So if we can get one of those to work pretty well and it works well, you get a lot of views on YouTube for having a lyric video so that people can sing along. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I will talk to you guys the next time.